Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel event in Google Calendar. In order to do so, you first have to launch the Google Calendar in your laptop or in your PC, and once you are on the home page, you simply need to select that particular event which you want to delete. After selecting it, you are going to see this type of pop-up associated with it. Here you are going to see this delete button in the top, so you need to hover over to this garbage button and you will have to click on delete event. Afterwards, it will show you that your event is deleted successfully. Now if you want to delete the name of your event, then you again have to click on it and then press delete event. If you want to delete the timings, then you will have to select the timings and you will have to press delete. This way you will be able to easily delete or cancel your events in calendar. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.